Hi, my name is Khumoetsile Motsisi. I like to be an actor and to go to Hollywood because, of my perspective, I am a good actor and I think I can make it. I want to represent Botswana and show Hollywood what Botswana has to offer, and Africa, obviously. I'm a good actor, as I've been told, and I believe in myself. Thank you. Oh Lord, please help me, please. She's gone. She's gone. Why did I make it? Why didn't I make it on time? Why, Lord? Why? Just tell me why. Please, let me please wake up. Please, I need you. Please wake up. Please, wake up. I need you now. I know I should have been there for you all along. I regret it. Please come back. I need you. Please. Please let me. Please come back to me. Come back. Please. I beg you. I need you. I'm sorry. And I love you. Rest in peace.